Good morning, everybody. The unicorn spirit says that whatever you ask in the universe, the answer is yes. If it's about success, it's yes to success. A hidden power within you is awakening. You need to embrace the awakening. It's yes to wealth. You've made a decision to release yourself from that holds you back, and unnecessary worry that comes from lack of confidence. Um, there's yes to an exciting event, things that don't serve you anymore. You've let it go, people, situations, and there's new beginnings. And it's time now for laughter. And also Archangel Haniel, that's the moon card, says it's time to improve your life. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face your fears and grow stronger. This is your destiny time. Follow your what you feel. Listen as your intuition helps to guide you to what you are manifesting. An opportunity will bring you closer to your goals, and you're going to find joy within you from spiritual growth. Be a light to others. Don't seek anyone else's approval. It's the end of feeling stuck. Um, the star card is here with us, and it says a dream is coming true. Believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation. You're going to see this unfolding in your life. Stay determined and move forward, and surround yourself with love. You are being brought out of the cold and you are being enlightened. Things are opening up for you. Your intuition is your greatest strength. Trust it. Try out different things and be patient. The universe is conspiring in your favor. They are guiding you on the right path. And your loved ones say you are lovable. Love who you are as you created perfectly. Everything about your true self is beautiful. Thank you all for listening. Have a good day. Love you all.